Hi everyone, how are you doing? I'm Lena Jácome. Thank you so much for being here today with me. This is a tutorial in the 12-beat rhythm, bulerías, and we're doing a footwork exercise. It's on the right side and then it repeats on the left side and it kind of just loops. So I hope you're having a great day. It's been a little bit busy for me, but I'm really happy to be here. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're starting on the right foot, golpe. And if you have some experience with flamenco, you're familiar with a rhythm and with some basic flamenco dance footwork vocabulary, then this will be a pretty simple exercise for you. So let's go ahead and get started. We're starting on the right foot. It's golpe, heel, heel, golpe, heel, heel, golpe, heel, heel, golpe, heel, heel, golpe. So it sounds like this. It's 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Right, left, right, right. And it just alternates. Let's do that again. Golpe and then heel, heel. And we're alternating. We go 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. The second part of this phrase, we're going to keep our weight on the right foot. 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, 11, 12. So altogether, it's 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, 11, 12. That last part again is a golpe on the right on 6, 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, 11 and 12. From the side, it's 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, 11, 12. Let's go ahead and face the mirror again and let's connect the beginning to the end part of that 12 beat. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going into the second part of the phrase. That second part is 12 and 1 and 2. Wait, 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Again, 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Oops, let's do that again. 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and it ends on the left foot golpe, that part right there. So it's flat, heel, heel, flat, heel, heel, flat, 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 heel, heel, flat. And flat, heel, heel, flat, woo! Flat, heel, heel, flat, heel, heel, flat, 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 heel, heel, flat. Let me count it. 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. All right, so we are on the counter rhythm. We end on the counter rhythm. Let's connect that with the beginning part, okay? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, and 6. And now we have our transition step. 10, 7, 8, so it's 10, 7, 8, 10, 9, 10, 11. Let me see. 12 and 1, 2, and now we're ready to go to the next side. So we end on, we're 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 9 and 11. Now we go to the next side. So it's 10, 7, 8, and 9, 10, golpe, 11 with the right foot. To start on 12 with the left foot. 12 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, 11, counter rhythm. So let's just go over that real quick. So we're here, flat, heel, heel, flat, heel, heel, flat, heel, heel, flat, heel, heel, flat. 12 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. That transition right there, 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, 11 and 12. Going into that next phrase is, let's start on the left. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, and 1, and 2, and flat, flat, flat. So that part is 12, and 1, and 2, and flat, flat, flat. Flat right there. 12, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Again. 12, and 1, and 2, and 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11. And then it loops. So that last part is 12, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11. Ready to go back to the right side. So, and that's it. That's all we have for that footwork phrase, but it's a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy it and you can implement it with your dances. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know if you're interested in learning the upper body, the arms with this exercise. Bye-bye. Thanks for joining. Bye.